welcome back to another day. So, actually, a couple of things. So I don't know why, but I really want to give the whole PS6 a try. So, this is for another thing, but I don't know what it is. But I was watching something, and basically the difference is I'm treating images just with the P3 header. Let's see, pixel sealed. So as you can see here, this is the P3, which means that the pixel information is just represented as ASCII code, mostly just numbers. But there's another option which is P6, which instead of using these numbers and ASCII code, just uses binary format, which is way more efficient and makes the images way smaller and way better for reading, and just in general just a better way of going through images. So I don't know why I want to do this to myself, but yeah, I just want to see if I can figure it out and see if I can do P6 image format, because P3 is already implemented, so that is good. But I want to see if I can just do it with P6. So for that, I also got a bunch of test images here that I want to try, and this, as you might be able to see here, sorry, are P6. And then you get the same sort of header information, and then it's just a bunch of hot mess. So yeah, and my terminal has crashed. Lovely. Okay, let's see when it comes back to life. Okay, there we go. We're back. So basically what I've done as well is I have created this other file called format.c, because I just had to give it a name. And I want to do something different. I want to try to sort of store each image in its own struct. So I'll do something like this. Whoops. So I will have the height, well, first width, height, whoops, and then the max color. Alright, and then I'm gonna do something which is basically an sign char, which is gonna be an array of all the pixel information. Which is gonna be a shit ton of fucking storage, but fuck it. So I've also been doing some digging here, and I can see that in order to read a binary file, I'm just gonna create this read file. Okay. So in order to read a binary file, instead of using the typical hold on, pointer if open, and here would be the name, which is gonna be, I don't know, whatever file name. I will create a variable for that, don't worry. So instead of doing the normal read, you have to do read and then binary. I thought this would cause problems with the header, because the header is in just normal format, but turns out it shouldn't give any problems. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. So I'm gonna do something like char name. Actually, let me just yeah, let's see here. What am I doing here? Char file name. Boom, and it doesn't return a value. Okay, that is not a problem. I will figure that out in a minute. Okay, so let me just do should be there it goes. Whoa, god damn it, pointer equals new, then something has gone wrong, unable to open the file. Okay, so then this means that the file has been opened correctly. Actually, let me just return a no here. So, what else? What else? What else? Uh, 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 so. Do I not have any? Do not want this. Sample images. Whoops. No, not this either. That sort of specifies that, like. All right. So let's see. So we can do something like scanf. Whoops. Pointer, and then it could be s and with header. Okay. And then if header 1 is different from 6 in this case, then let's just print something like unsupported file format. Boom. Okay. Maybe in the future I will spread this into multiple functions, but for the moment I just want to get this working as soon as possible. Okay, and did not mean to do that. Close it, clear out, and then we return. Oh no. Alright. And so if that happens, then I can actually scan the information here, but it's not going to be this. Instead, it's going to be something like this. Header. This is going to be width, height, and then max color. Alright, I forgot about that part. Also, I did do something else. Where is it? Text. Text.txt. I sort of broke this down a little bit. So basically, instead of having 3 numbers for each pixel, you have 1 byte for each pixel, because it actually works perfectly with the maximum RGB value, which is 255, which is exactly 2 to the power of 8, which is exactly a byte. So you have 3 bytes. I think they're all joined together per pixel. The first one being red, then green, and then blue. And this is something that I still don't know whether you read it as hexadecimal or binary or whatever. I don't quite know that yet. But let's see. Okay. So I now have all this. Great. Alright, new line. Maybe I could do something like this instead of right. This sort of does the same. Okay. Then I guess I would have to create pixels, no? Signed. Why is this like this? Go back to your place. Char pixels. It's gonna be malloc. Okay, no. Fuck. So what's first the type that you're trying to allocate? So why are you still here, bro? Okay, so unsigned char pointer malloc with width and height. Alright, so this should already give us enough memory. And so I should probably now do a loop of some sort, like, wow, I don't know if I should do something like a get, something like that. Mm. I'm trying to think here. I'm trying to think. So, there has to be a fucking loop, right? Okay, let's see if this gets the image properly. Um, actually, I don't know if I can do something like, fuck, the images are on, anyways, let me just do something, cd into images, and then I'm gonna move stop roll 1 up there. I should have my, okay, I have my image there. Alright, let's see if I can print the header about to see that everything is properly being displayed. Header, oh no. Hide and then max color. Yo, what did I just do? Oh my god, bro! And then max color. I'm just gonna return null for now. Alright. Actually, I never called the fucking, okay. If I never call the function, then it's gonna be kinda tough. Read file. And with argb2 or 1. Please provide an argument. What? Oh, okay. unsupported file format. Interesting. So I do have to get rid of the comment. Okay. Alright. And it has crashed again. Love it. Okay, it's back. Okay. So form. No. Just get rid of format, and so I can go back into format. Okay. Wait, didn't scan this properly. What? Format, stop, unsupported file format. Okay. Okay, so it's receiving the image itself. If it's not 6. Like, why? Oh, because it's a number, not the chart. My fault. This should work now. Image and then stop. Okay, there we go. Still not quite getting it because it's probably getting it from the comment line that I have there. So let me just change that. Format at C. Come down here. So let's just do something like comment. Okay. From 5.9. Okay. Why can I not do this? Okay. Compatible pointer type as in chart. What? File name. Oh. Okay. And then I should just skip the line. I skipped the entire line. So I can do this. Config file. My bad. Dude, what? What if I just do this, bro? Fuck this shit. Okay, I messed up badly. Crashed again. Love it. Come back. Okay, great. Format. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so we have the headers now. Alright, bet. Probably do something here. Free pixels. And then something like, close this. Okay. Just checking one thing. Hold on. Okay. Probably something like this. Width. And then alright, so now I should be able to scan this, right? How to read binary in C? A brief. Okay, so I should do read with pixels, and then size of pixels as well. I mean, fuck it, let's try it out. Read. Where do you want to store it? Shit. Um, so if I want to store it here, then it should be, and then size of whatever you're storing it, which in this case is an unsigned char. Okay. Too few arguments. You're right though. What is this one for? Maybe it's just the amount of bytes you want to read? I don't really know. Okay. Then I should do something like blue. ring. And this should technically work, and then I can do something like the thing is, this is not when I store all the pixels, is not bidimensional array. This is just one dimension array, meaning that it's not just simple of doing, you know, pixel. Whoa, it's not as simple as just coming here and doing maybe pixels I j equals and then whatever I might have to type here. It's rather something more than I just have to calculate. Sorry, an index, which might be the width. Actually, 3 because we're reading 3 at a time. Width and then height. Trying to calculate my index, which should probably be based out of the current position that I'm on, which is defined by I and j. So it's probably this plus x. I don't know if this is gonna. Okay. But this is probably the other way around, where it should be something j. J is the height. Yeah. What the fuck? This is a function? Didn't know it was a goddamn function. I don't know where. So now I should do probably pixels with my index. Bro, the fuck? Okay, index equals to red. Right? And then one more, it's gonna be blue. And then one more is gonna be green. I am not trusting this at all. I'm not displaying anything, but I just want to see if everything works normal. Sorry. Ayo! Okay, so this should loop through every single thing, right? We have actually, let me just, this is way easier to just. Okay. What was the? It's gonna crash again, but I don't give a fuck. 720. Okay. It crashed. It literally crashed. Okay. It was 720 by 1043. Okay. So not quite there. Yeah, 720 by 1043. Again, dude, it has crashed again. Damn. Okay, so never mind. So what if I do this type shit? Right, let's see if I'm actually getting some sort of reasonable result in this. Format and then stop. Yeah, I don't quite know about this. I mean, I'm getting literally characters out of this whole thing. Yeah, but I also shouldn't display, right? Should I display that? Because I'm reading binary, so of course it's not going to be displayed. I mean, it's going to be displayed, but not in the same format. Anyways, let's just give it a try. I know, red and blue one. I've done it the other way around. Actually, red, green, and then blue. Red, green, and blue. Okay. How can I print it out? Okay. Prints a series of bytes. So percentage U. Unsigned specifier. Um, percentage U. Oh, yo, we got values, bro. All right. All right, we got an actual fucking shit. Um, let's go. Okay, we're reading everything. Format.c. All right. We got values though. All right. Hmm. Okay, so now I got this. Um, what if I actually just create a mirror image from this? Like I've just created a new image out of the values that I have stored here, and it should technically be the same thing. Okay, so I can shit. The fuck? Okay. Mm, although I think there has to be some sort of problem with the index. I'm 100% trusting it, but fuck it. Okay, so I have pixels, so I could probably pass this through, and then I don't have a header or anything like that. But for this specific thing, it's just gonna be file clone equals sorry, if open clone image dot ppm, and then write binary type shit. So it's gonna first of all it's gonna be p6. I have to specify fuck. I have to specify clone p6. Why is this giving me error? Because I have to do such thing. Okay. This, this, and then width, height, and max color. The fuck? Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Then I should do again this thing. Like I should do the exact same loop. Just print it out. Um. Okay. So instead of a read, how do I print a binary? Print binary in a file C. How to read write binary file. Okay, how can I read? F write. Okay, makes sense. Writes 10 bytes. Why 10 bytes? From our buffer. Don't want 10 bytes though. Okay, so instead of this I should do something like... I have pixels here as well, so... Okay, so this also disappears because the values are already assigned. Fuck. And then I should do f right. Not that. F right. To the arguments, okay. What? Pixels in there. Type shit. I'm thinking about doing... Compatible pointer. Why? Um... Not really getting this though. Size of buffer. No, but this is not the way, right? I'm not trusting this at all, bro. Yo, it cloned it. Yo, it cloned it. That's sick. Okay, it actually did it. Oh my god, it actually did it, yo! It fucking did it. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I'm just gonna do some cleaning up because this is a fucking mess. Alright, so this is probably gonna go into another. Okay, I'm just gonna paste it. God, alright, just do this. No. Alright, just so that I can have that for another day. So I have this, and then I should probably do something. Okay. I have to give this memory, right? Height equals height, of course. Width equals width, and then max color equals, of course, max color. Right, and then can I actually do pixels? No. This is gonna just crash so much. Alright. Trying to see something. Wait. Okay. So I do have to give this dynamic memory. I have to say, yeah, if the type is first, then it would be image pointer. Yo, chill. Malloc. Oh, I never. Okay. Equals now ppm image type pointer malloc size of ppm image. Oba. Alright, so if I go back here into main, then I read the file. What if I just create my own ppm image, call image that equals to this, and then just format this. What if I want to printf the width? So I go in here and I do image pixel width. Height, then max color. Alright, and then I free the memory allocated for this, which is gonna be image. Right? Yes. What I do not free in this case is first close the pointer. Never do that, and then I don't free the pixels. Okay. Format, stop. Alright, it works, and then I don't want to go through all the pixels, but I'm guessing it works as well. Wow, because why not? probably would have thrown out an error or something like that, right? Although this is sort of bugging me out a little bit, but if it's a pointer, then fuck. Alright, so, liking this. This is looking pretty good, honestly. Because, hold on. Fuck it. Files. Let's see, I don't know if they're the same size, but almost, I'd say. This one, which is 12 megabytes. The clone image is 2 megabytes. Of course, there's a difference in resolution. I'm sorry, but not that big though. Not that big, and it's almost it's way smaller. So pretty good, honestly. I'd say I didn't think it was gonna work out, but we gotta work it. Okay, let me just add everything to this. Boom. Git commit added support for p6 binary format, which is a bit of a lie because I have not added the support for it, but you know what? Okay. Git push origin main. Come on, bro. Why is it taking so long? Alright, let's just check that it has been properly uploaded. Boom, added support for it. Alright guys, so that would be it for today. Thank you for stopping by.